Everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 5.4 question number 10. Investigate. In the given figure, the angle measure 30 degree. Look at the same figure through a magnifying glass. Does the angle becomes larger? Does the size of the angle change? If we see this angle with the help of a magnifying glass, the angle never changes because it is 30 degree. With the help of protractor measure, it is always 30 degree, right? Then does the angle becomes larger? No, it will be same, right? The answer is no. And does the size of the angle change? That is also no, because the angle is always same whether you see with eyes or with magnifying glass, right? The angle is constant, that is it is always 30 degree. Angle will not change because with the help of, if you measure with the help of a protractor, it is 30 degree whether you see it by magnifying glass or through naked eyes. This is the investigation of question number 10, exercise 5.4.